Hi, my name is Lindsay Till, and I am divorced. I have two children. I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they keep me pretty busy, but I learn a lot from them, so that's really great. So something that I was not initially good at, but I got better at, was when I played my clarinet. I played clarinet for a really long time. And my band directors were like, just practice and you'll get better. And I would literally just go into the practice room and just play the music over and over, hoping that I was getting better. And I did get somewhat better. I mean, it's not like I was totally bad at the music, but I wasn't really practicing the right way. And it wasn't until I was in college and I had a private professor, like a private lessons teacher, that was like, you're not practicing the way that's helpful for you. Like, you're just playing the music and hoping for the best. And that's honestly what I was doing. And he was like, you need to figure out like what parts of the music that you're really struggling on. Like, what section are you not able to play, and focus on that section. Play it in different rhythms. Play it in different lengths of time. So like if it's a really fast rhythm, play it really slow, but just play the right notes. That way you're practicing the right notes and getting that down. And it wasn't until I like made that connection that like I just need to focus on what I'm struggling with that I became a better player and a better musician, because I knew to work on what I struggled with. And that actually helped me like just in life in general, because then I realized, okay, I'm struggling with something. What am I struggling with? Like, let's narrow it down. Let's find that piece that I'm struggling with and go from there. And so that really helped me. Now, if I had a friend who was struggling and they're like, I'm dumb, I'm not getting anything right, I would tell them, well, your brain is making new connections. They're like literally making new neuron pathways to make that connection and help you learn it. So like if you're a kid, your brain is still forming. Those new connections are forming constantly. You're going. But if you're an adult and your brain is fully formed, those connections are a little harder to make, and you have to continue practicing and keep working that connection to actually get better at it. That's why, like when kids are younger, it's really easy for them to learn a second language because their brain is still forming, so they can build those neural pathways and connections really easily and really quickly, and it's a lot harder as an adult to make those connections and learn another language and really make those connections. So I'm really excited about this class. I really hope to learn a lot, and I'm excited to work with you guys.